What you doing? Hazel, where you going? Where you going?
Yep, exactly. And the white toes. They're called Lemmy? L-E-M-S.
Hey, Lynn.
There you go.
Oh no, don't hit the tree. I'd get so dizzy.
You want me to do that? There's like 3 of those. I thought I was going to throw out.
Oh, exactly. It's that darn inner ear. No.
The older you get, it must like harden or something, because I can't handle.
No.
Yeah, I'm walking so many
No,
miles.
I can't either.
I used to do
Yeah, right.
roller coaster rides.
Yep. Well, you know, I did too many when I was younger, and so I'm very susceptible to getting dizzy.
That makes them more expensive.
Yep.
I can't find them.
Violet, you are having so much fun in that snow. You're just rolling.
At the place that you also worked with. Makes
Oh, who threw that snowball at Violet?
Behind the 1-year-old.
Yeah.
Do you think it was Daddy? Do you think it was Opie? I think it was Grandpa Bill. Oh no!
Somebody's got to look out for those that can't defend themselves.
That's right, man. Totally deserved it.
Whoa! Good job!